Welcome to Das Solid Tips. Today, we will learn about the Indian national movement, the historic struggle of Indians to gain freedom from British rule. The movement began with early resistances in the 18th and 19th centuries, when brave leaders like Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi, Mangal Pandey, and Tipu Sultan opposed British oppression and injustice. In 1885, the Indian National Congress was formed with the aim of uniting Indians and demanding political reforms. Leaders like Dadabhai Naoroji, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, and Lala Lajpat Rai played major roles in raising awareness about India's rights and promoting national unity. In the 20th century, Mahatma Gandhi emerged as the leader of the freedom struggle, introducing the principles of nonviolence and civil disobedience. Movements like the Non-Cooperation Movement of 1920, the Civil Disobedience Movement of 1930, and the Salt March inspired millions of Indians to boycott British goods and peacefully protest against unjust laws. In 1942, during World War II, Gandhi launched the Quit India movement, calling for immediate British withdrawal. Mass protests, strikes, and sacrifices of countless freedom fighters like Subhas Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, and Bhagat Singh intensified the struggle for independence. Finally, on 15 August 1947, India achieved freedom after centuries of courage, unity, and relentless effort. The Indian national movement is remembered as a story of patriotism, determination, and the collective spirit of its people. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please kindly press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any educational videos from Das Solid Tips. Thank you for your support.